The P2 Pro is a new rugged device released by a brand called ONERUGGED. It's my first time hearing about the brand, so I cannot really say much about it. But anyways, the P2 Pro itself is a 5G device equipped with impressive specifications and features. The device is also one of the few rugged phones with a super bright camping light. The max brightness of the LED light is about 1000 lumens, and it's capable of illuminating a distance of up to 50 meters. So this device can be considered one of the few rugged phones that is perfect for outdoor nighttime enthusiasts. Anyway, let's quickly explore the top specs of the P2 Pro. Perfect. So what do you guys think about the top specs of the P2 Pro? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. I don't know the official release date of this device yet, but if I get it, I think I would share with you guys, but I don't think it's really necessary. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.